Punjab Finance Minister Makhdoom Hashim Jawan Bakht has said smog is a form of air pollution that is exacerbated by climate change. Temporary restrictions on industry and transportation are not the solution, and shifting of industries on environmental friendly technology and electric vehicles require time and resources, which are gradually being ensured. On the other hand, changes in social behavior is a matter of time for a quick and lasting solution to the problem. Increasing the number of trees in industrial and residential areas, reducing the use of fuel powered rides, and using safe methods for waste disposal can play an important role in controlling pollution. The minister was addressing a seminar on the role of civil society in controlling pollution organized by the Punjab Disaster Management Authority on Monday. The minister said changing social attitudes to control pollution is not possible without the involvement of civil society, educational institutions, and media. Civil society representatives should be aware of harmful health effects of pollution and discourage causes of pollution. Students should be made part of tree planting campaigns. NGOs and organizations should promote pollution control activities at local level. The minister said research scholars introduce ideas for a healthy and clean environment. Other participants of the seminar included Punjab Relief Commissioner Babar Hayat Tarad, Director Punjab Disaster Management Authority Raja Khurram Shehzad Umar, Chairman Urban Development Unit, representatives from civil society and media, and faculty members from various universities. Briefing the seminar participants about the causes of increase in air pollution and smog, Punjab Relief Commissioner Babar Hayat Tarad said, main cause of pollution in cities is smoke from transport, which is 43% of air pollution. Sustainable pollution control measures are being taken at the government level, he added. The process of shifting bricklanes to zigzag technology is also underway. The Punjab Disaster Management Authority is ensuring operations on a daily basis. Local level committees have been hired to control fires in villages and monitor industrial units. He agreed the civil society representatives to form committees at the community level in cities is being accepted. Khurram Shehzad Umar told the participants that since October 20, fines of rupees 39 million have been imposed for discouraging smog causing activities. 2,148 industrial units and 8,579 vehicles have been impounded. 1,402 kilns have been converted to zigzag technology, while the rest of the kilns are being converted to modern technology. Chairman Urban Development Unit informed the seminar participants that for the last 20 years, no systematic traffic plan has been formulated in the city, nor communication plans and coordination of various authorities for the construction of cities has been made. The present government is formulating a regular traffic plan with an appropriate plan for urban development. The seminar participants appreciated the government's measures to control smog and the PDMA's mechanism, stressed the need to increase the efficiency of the Environment Department, and assured of playing a positive role in changing social attitudes.